Introduce features interest for TOREAD portable small washing machine, 13.5 pounds mini compact washer and dryer combo, 2-in-1 apartment washers with twin tub and drain pump. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. This product designed with twin tub, allowing you to wash and spin clothes at the same time. Our compact washing with lightweight, only 9 pounds, suitable for dorms, apartments, condos, RVs, camping trips, or anywhere with limited space. This washing machine total capacity, 13.5 pounds washer, 9 pounds, spin cycle. 4.5 pounds. It allows you to simply put clothes in the washing tub, fill with water, choose the timer control, then start washing. You can take the clothes directly from the washer to the spinner, or run both sides together to finish your laundry. Choose the water lever according to the quantity of the garments, high or low. For the water level of the double water stream, it's the best position of the high. The twin tub washing machine equipped with 2 separate timer control. Wash timer runs for up to 15 minutes and the spin cycle timer runs for up to 5 minutes each load. You can operate the washer or spinner separately according to your different needs. 3 different washing methods can meet for your washing needs conveniently: gently, normal wash and spin. This machine can help you save more water, because of the pre-programmed settings and accurate time control. Durable ABS material ensures this portable washer and dryer will not easily be rust, neat, and clean. The light blue lid design allows you to see and monitor washing conditions clearly. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.